So this is what I do before the storm, any storm that we have. When it snows out, I just treat the driveway with salt, so it won't be as bad. I mean, the snow is gonna come down, but this helps a little bit. It helps with the driveway not being so. If it's a good sized storm, there's nothing I can, besides doing this, all you could do is do this, and sometimes it works, but most times if you have a good size storm, even doing this, it does not, it helps, but not a lot. This is the day of the storm, and this is what I do before the storm happens.